Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials. Update Waze and grant location and storage access so real-time routing works. Once done, sign into your account so settings persist. Open Waze, tap Settings, then navigate to Navigation or Vehicle Settings. This is where you change the vehicle type to motorcycle. You're doing this early because vehicle mode affects route algorithms and ETA calculations. Make sure GPS accuracy is high. Poor GPS will ruin motorcycle-specific routing decisions. Now change the vehicle type to motorcycle and tweak preferences so routes favor motorcycle-friendly roads. Once set, adjust route preferences, avoid tolls or prefer smaller streets to match motorcycle handling. This influences the chosen roads. Enable the speedometer and clear voice guidance so you can hear turns without looking. Also enable offline caching if you'll ride through low-coverage areas. These steps refine how Waze calculates routes and delivers alerts tailored to motorcycle riding. Finish by running a short test navigation to confirm lanes, alerts, and ETA match expectations. Once done, save your home, garage, or frequent stops to favorites for one-tap navigation. Make sure the orientation lock and do not disturb driving settings are configured so directions display safely while riding. If you don't see motorcycle mode, update the app, clear cache, or reinstall. Sometimes region-specific features require the newest release. If problems persist, toggle permissions and restart the phone before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.